assertion given to us is Teminism is unidirectional flow of genetic information. Is the statement correct? But the statement is wrong. Basically, Teminism is known to be reverse of central dogma. It is reverse of central dogma, where you will see formation of complementary DNA from messenger RNA with the help of enzyme reverse transcriptase. So, what was central dogma? If I discuss central dogma, it was given by Francis Crick, right? And according to the central dogma, DNA will first replicate, right? DNA will replicate, then the information will be sent to messenger RNA by the process known as transcription, right? And further, this messenger RNA will code for proteins by the process known as translation. Correct? Can I say Teminism is reverse of central dogma? Because in central dogma, the information is going from DNA to messenger RNA. But when we are talking about reverse of central dogma, the information that is stored in messenger RNA is giving us back the DNA, and this DNA will be known as complementary DNA. This synthesis of complementary DNA will be facilitated by the enzyme reverse transcriptase. So, Teminism is unidirectional flow of genetic information. The statement is wrong. Coming to the reason, it is a flow of information from DNA, DNA to RNA, RNA to proteins. So, can I say here both the statements are wrong? So, can I say for question number 166, here the answer will be option 4. Question number 167, assertion is sickle cell anemia occurs due to point mutation. What is point mutation? You can write point mutation is, it is due to a change in single base pair, right? And sickle cell anemia is one of the examples. So, sickle cell anemia occurs due to point mutation. This is true. What is the explanation given to us? That is, sickle cell anemia is caused due to change in more than one nucleotide pair. More than one nucleotide pair, this condition is known as gross mutation. But it is not the correct explanation. The given condition is for gross mutation. If you remember, in point mutation, there will be change in single base pair. This change can be from purine to purine, pyrimidine to pyrimidine, or it may be due to the conversion of purine to the pyrimidine, right? So, question number 167, here we will mark option 3. Can I say that assertion is correct but explanation is wrong? So, for question 167, answer is 3. Alright. Question number 168. Assertion is Turner syndrome is monosomy of sex chromosome. But monosomy is 2n minus 1. And this given assertion is true. What is the reason? It may be due to fusion of an abnormal egg and a normal sperm. So, can I say the reason given here is also correct? But abnormal egg when fused with normal sperm, let us see what will be the result. Can I say when they will cross together, it will lead to the formation of a zygote with 44 autosomes and XO sex chromosomal condition, right? So, it may be due to the fusion of an abnormal egg with a normal sperm, or it may be due to the fusion of normal egg and a abnormal sperm. The resultant zygote will have the same combination of autosomes and the allosome. So 44 autosomes and XO condition. So this assertion as well as reason is correct. So can I say for this question we can mark 1. For 168 answer will be 1. Question number 169. Assertion given is during nitrification in the first step ammonia is oxidized to nitrate by the action of bacteria Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus. So bache, first of all the assertion given to us is wrong, because during nitrification the first step ammonia is oxidized to nitrite, right? It is oxidized to nitrite and then from nitrite to nitrate. If you remember, what is the actual equation? That is 2 molecules of ammonia with 3 molecules of oxygen will give rise to 2 molecules of NO2, 2H plus, H2O, and it releases energy. Later on, then this nitrite will get converted into nitrate, that is 2NO3, along with the release of energy. But this step 1 will take place in the presence of bacteria Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus. Alright, and for the second step there is need of bacteria Nitrobacter or Nitrocystis. But these nitrifying bacteria, they are chemoautotroph. They are chemoautotroph, means they will synthesize their own food, but with the help of carbon dioxide and the hydrogen donor. So synthesis of food will be there with the help of hydrogen donor and carbon dioxide. So for this question 169 we will mark 4, as both assertion and reason they are incorrect. Alright, moving to question 170. Assertion is guttation commonly occurs from the margins and tips of the leaves. What is guttation? First of all, tell me. Guttation is the process of oxidation of liquid drops. So guttation is basically, it is the process of exudation of liquid droplets, and from where these liquid droplets will go out? From the margins and tips of the leaves. So this assertion is true. Talking about the reason, guttation occurs due to high root pressure when transpiration is high. So bache, you can say that here the explanation is incorrect. Guttation takes place at the time when transpiration rate is low. When the transpiration rate is low, you can say high root pressure will lead to more absorption of water at night time or during the early mornings when transpiration rate is comparatively low. So here the reason given for the assertion, it is not correct. So can I say for question 170 we can mark 3? Alright.